Do you know the secret of manifesting your dreams into reality? It's the power that lies within each one of us, just waiting to be unlocked. There are different techniques that can help you manifest your dream life, and to support that there are various journals and tools available in the market. But what if I say that you can achieve the same exact result using your current planner? That's what today's video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Esha, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can utilize your planner that you are presently using to manifest your dream life. So we do have various manifestation techniques that can help you in different ways to attract whatever you want in your life. So to name a few, we have scripting manifestation, 369 manifestation, visualization, 17-second rules, and the list goes on. We do have a lot of manifestation technique. If you want to know some of this manifestation technique in details, I do have some valuable videos on my channel which you can choose to watch. After watching this video, I will provide all the links in the description box below. So let's see how your planner can do the magic and turn your manifestation into reality. You can choose to do this any time of the year in your current planner, or if you have any unused planner for some reason, you can choose to convert that planner into your manifestation zone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use your planner to manifest your dream life. So let's get started with it. So let's start with the very first way of manifestation, which is absolutely inbuilt in your planner. That is a vision board. So all the planner out there comes with this vision board page, and if you don't know already, this is one of the most powerful tool of manifestation. It is also known as a visual manifestation. So vision board is basically a page where you can paste some pictures or quotes or anything that resonate with your dreams and your goals. So it's not just about pasting those random pictures and just making it aesthetically pleasing. It's more than that. A vision board is a tool that can help you visualize your goals and dreams and focus your energy and attention in achieving those dreams. When you create a vision board, you are essentially creating a visual representation of your goals and desires. This can help you to clarify what you really want in your life. It will give you a visual picture of your dream life, and it will help you to focus on the emotions and thoughts that you need in yourself to take actionable steps to achieve your goals. By regularly looking at your vision board and visualizing yourself living the life you want, you can start to create a powerful and positive energy that will help you to manifest your dreams. I do have a couple of videos on my channel where I have shared how you can create a vision board from scratch, and you can choose to watch those videos. I will provide all the link in the description box below. So we generally create a vision board annually, basically at the beginning of the year, but it's not like mandatory to create a vision board only at the beginning of a new year. It can be created any time of the year, just when your dreams are created. When you have a dream in your life, just create a vision board. It can be done on a monthly basis, weekly basis, or as I say, any time of the year. So don't hesitate and wait for the right time to create your visual representation of your short-term or long-term goals, and don't forget to visit that vision board on a regular basis and visualize your dream life as if you have already achieved those dreams. Because when you visualize things at least for 5 minutes in a day, it energizes you, it motivates you to take actionable steps towards those goals. So definitely do consider the power of a vision board and don't neglect your vision board page in your planner. Moving on to the next way is to write down affirmations in your planner that supports your dreams. So an affirmation is a positive statement that you repeat to yourself regularly to create a positive mindset or a positive belief in yourself. The idea is that by repeating positive statements to yourself, you can change your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions, which ultimately helps you to manifest your desired outcomes. So when we dream of something in our life, it also comes with some limiting beliefs, fear of failure, and a lot of self-doubt. And manifestation do not support any negative vibrations around you if you definitely want to achieve your goals. Affirmations are a great way to maintain a positive mindset. It boosts your confidence and motivation to take actions towards your goal, and it can help you to attract positive opportunities and outcomes that align with your desires. So make use of your planner to write down affirmations that supports your dream. You can categorize your affirmations depending on your dreams, like affirmations for your body or for your mindset, or maybe affirmations to attract success in career, or affirmations to become a better person in life. So go ahead, use those empty pages in your planner to write down affirmations that will feed your mind to take action towards your goals and be open to receiving opportunities and guidance from the universe so that you can manifest faster. So affirmation is again a great way to manifest things faster. It will act as your best friend in your journey, especially when you will face some hard times or you are feeling low. So affirmation can boost your life in that manner, and it will be your guiding path towards your success. Okay, the next thing that you can do to manifest faster in your planner is to choose a word of the year. Choosing a word of the year can also be a powerful tool as well to manifest your dream life, because it provides you with the two most important things in your life, which is focus and intention. So a word of the year is basically a guiding word or a guiding theme that you need to follow for the entire year, which is totally aligned towards your goals and your actionable steps that you will take for that goal. So if you have a word of the year, you will be more focused, and this focus can help you to stay on track and align towards your goals, and it will always remind you to take actionable steps for that particular goal. So your word of the year will be your constant reminder, and it will serve as a source of inspiration and motivation throughout the year. When you feel discouraged or overwhelmed, you can return back to this page of yours for guidance and encouragement. I have a whole dedicated video on how I have chosen my word for the year 2023, and I have given you a proper exercise on how you can choose your word for the year as well. So I will provide the video link in the description box below. If you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. It's a very detailed and valuable video. My word for this year is transformation, and yes, I do see few things transforming in my life already, and I can see that I have already manifested few things in my life, which I don't want to talk about at this point. I will definitely talk about my word of the year at the year end, how it has helped me, how I have attracted so many things in my life. It is too early to come to a conclusion at this point, so I will definitely make a video by the year end how a word of the year can be such a powerful way of law of attraction. So definitely try this out. Don't miss out on this simple thing, and just try this word of the year thing. As we are already in the 5th month, and if you have not chosen a word of the year, do this right now. Watch this video. I will provide it in the description box. It will guide you on choosing your word for the year, and just focus on the rest of the year to fulfill your dreams if you haven't yet. Another great way of using your planner to manifest your dream life is to start practicing scripting manifestation. It's kind of journaling, but in a very proper manner, which I will talk about. So again, scripting is one kind of manifestation technique where you have to write down all your dreams in present tense using positive sentences as if that dream has already come true. So you have to use present tense to write this. So if your dream is to get into a job, then you have to write down, I am so fortunate to be a part of this XYZ company. I am waking up every single morning, going to my workplace, doing all the projects by myself with lots of hard work, and I'm getting so much appreciation from my colleagues. So you have to be in detail while you are scripting. You have to visualize that life. You have to be very detailed when you are doing scripting manifestation. So I do have a proper dedicated video about this, so I won't be talking about it much in the video. So you can watch this particular video. All the links of the videos will be in the description box. Check it out if you haven't. It will be very helpful for you. So you can use your planner to do this scripting manifestation. If you have any unused page in your planner and you are wondering how to use that, utilize that particular page, you can just go ahead and do scripting manifestation. If you have any dream in your life, just visualize it in present tense and write it down in your planner, because your planner will be with you for the entire year, and you can just come back to this page, read that particular scripting, and you can visualize it, and it will motivate you to work towards that goal. So to incorporate scripting manifestation in your life and write it down in your planner, you do have to follow these following steps. Shower gratitude towards the universe. Be grateful for what you already have in your life. You will always start the scripting with a positive note and a gratitude heart, so definitely start with gratitude. Then write down your goal, that is the main manifestation or the goal that you want to achieve by the end of this year or any time of the year. Make sure to write it down in present tense as if you have already achieved that dream and you are already living that dream life. So always use positive present tense sentence. Then go into details, write down everything that you imagine after achieving that dream of yours, how it will look like, what are you wearing, what are you eating, everything, how an ideal day of your life will look like when you will achieve your dream life. So write it down there and end the scripting with a thank you note. Thank the universe for everything you have, for everything that you have achieved till now. So yeah, this is a very simple method. You can do this scripting for any areas of your life. So these are some of the ways in which you can use your planner for manifestation. There are other manifestation technique as well, as I have already told you, 369 manifestation, 77x7 manifestation. So we do have a lot of rules for manifestation. Whichever suits you, whichever you like and you believe in, most important, just you can incorporate it in your planning routine as well. You can choose to write it down daily, so that will be the best. If you can write it down daily, you will be able to visualize it on a daily basis. That means you will be taking small actionable steps every single day for that dream of yours. So I will highly recommend you guys to use your planner as a tool of manifestation as well, other than using it for to-do list and the daily activities. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, then please like, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for more such content on planning, journaling and productivity. And also you can follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. You can get all the video related updates, life related updates, and also talk to me directly if you have any queries on my Instagram. So definitely check it out. I will provide the link in the description box below. And yeah, I will see you super soon with more planning videos. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.